Bear's Magical Storybook.
Hello, my dear friends. I'm so glad you're all here today. I've got a special story for you this evening. It's about a clever little goat and a tricky wolf. I think you'll all enjoy it.
Yay! We love your stories, Benji.
Thank you. Well, once upon a time, on a grassy hillside, lived a mama goat and her little baby goat named Mimi. Mimi was a very smart and brave little goat. One day Mama Goat had to go to the market, so she told Mimi to stay inside the house and not open the door for anyone.
Did Mimi listen to her mama?
Oh yes, she did. Mama Goat said, "Mimi, remember to never open the door for strangers, especially the bad wolf." Mimi nodded and promised to stay safe. So, off went Mama Goat to the market.
I bet the bad wolf tried to trick Mimi.
You guessed it, yes. Soon after Mama Goat left, the sneaky bad wolf came to the door and knocked. He tried to make his voice sound sweet, just like Mama Goat's. "Mimi, open the door. It's me, your mama," the wolf said.
Oh no! What did Mimi do?
Mimi was very clever. She knew that her mama's voice was soft and gentle, but the wolf's voice was low and gruff. She didn't open the door. Instead, she said, "You're not my mama. Your voice is too rough."
Good for Mimi.
Yes, Mimi was smart, but the bad wolf didn't give up. He ran to the bakery and ate some honey to make his voice sweet. Then he came back and knocked again. "Mimi, it's me, your mama. Open the door." This time, his voice sounded just like Mama Goat's.
Oh no, did Mimi fall for it?
Mimi was cautious. She remembered that her mama always showed her hooves through the window to prove it was really her. So Mimi said, "Show me your hooves, Mama." The wolf didn't have hooves. He had big, furry paws. When he couldn't show his hooves, Mimi knew for sure it was the bad wolf. She didn't open the door.
Wow! Mimi really is clever.
She sure was. The bad wolf was so frustrated that he couldn't trick her. He stomped away, defeated. When Mama Goat came back home, Mimi told her the whole story. Mama Goat was so proud of her brave and smart little baby.
So the bad wolf never got in?
Nope, the bad wolf didn't stand a chance against Mimi's quick thinking. And from that day on, Mimi always remembered to be cautious and never trust strangers.
What a wonderful story, Benji.
Nope, the bad wolf didn't stand a chance against Mimi's quick thinking. And from that day on, Mimi always remembered to be cautious and never trust strangers. Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.